1 liter and 2 liter. And then the caps are pretty much identical for everything. The bases are pretty much identical. The only difference, frankly, between a Coke and a Pepsi bottle is just the contour of the bottle. The height is more or less the same. And it allows, the innovation was, wait a minute, you can actually run these through a high-speed bottling line. And so we were looking at this, and the first question came is, well, has anyone, and one of the things you'll see is how you can sort of segment the idea of waste. Well, one thing you can do with waste is you can segment it by recyclable or non-recyclable. It's one way to put them in buckets. Non-recyclable is a negative, no matter how you look at it. Recyclable, people have figured out a positive. The way it works, though, is that you take this bottle, you put it in your recycling container, someone, a waste management or recycling company takes it and looks at it, and they look at it as two things. They look at it as the shape and plastic. It's the two components, plastic and shape. And the problem is that the plastic is valuable, it's really good, but the shape is negative value. And it's negative value because they're going to spend money, energy, resources to destroy the shape to get to the valuable plastic. And then someone else is going to buy that valuable plastic and then integrate it in a new shape. So you sort of have to remove the shape and add the shape, and you have this challenge of waste and recyclable, but either way there is value there. So what we realized is if you start packaging in used soda bottles, you're only buying, when you buy them in bulk from recycling centers, you're only buying the plastic. You're not buying the shape, which by definition becomes not only the most environmentally friendly way to package a product, like our fertilizer at the time, but also the cheapest. And what we've realized is by looking at waste over and over again is that there's these amazing solutions in waste that allow you to actually solve the problem that everyone just voted on, which is cheaper products, not just greener products. And so this was our first product. Liquid worm poop in a used soda bottle. The only thing new on this product was the label. It's the one thing that that we couldn't make from waste. But even the trigger heads are leftovers off specs from major companies. And it's so funny, we actually have licenses now from both Coke and Pepsi to package shit in their bottles and sell it. And those were very interesting licenses to negotiate, but they're hanging in my wall as we speak.